Hello, welcome to another handy fix. Today we're looking at this DeWalt 18 volt DCD776. It's basically not working. You get a little spark from the back there and then nothing. So I'm assuming it's something to do with the motor. So I'm just testing it here, giving it a good whack, and no luck. The light works pretty good though. And this thing is filthy. So I'm going to start stripping it down. And here I'm just taking the assembly out and just showing you the burns in the back end. So if you look at the rotor inside, it's very black. There's like burning and evidence of overuse. And then later on in the video, some pieces of copper actually fall out. So it looks like this motor's absolutely goosed. So I just need to put the torque conversion gears back in, and then here's a new motor that I purchased prior to starting this because I had a feeling it was going to be the motor. These aren't brushless drills, so if you see sparks in the back, it's pretty likely that you've got a burnout motor. So that's putting it back together. This is like a test fit initially, just to see if it all works. Clicking it all together there. And I think I'm going to give it a test now. Trigger feels good. Let's see. Yeah, that works pretty smooth. And yeah, first and second gears work fine. So it'll work high speed and high torque. Looks like another job complete. If you want to see more like this, just hit that subscribe button. And if you wouldn't mind liking and commenting, that'll really help out the channel. Here I just spotted that the back end wasn't quite closed, so I'm just restripping it back down just to see. It's probably that wire that's caught, and there you go. Just needs shifting down into the little recess. Give that a quick clean, and I think I'll give the rest of it a quick clean as well. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.